I was sent this stainless steel wire rope to do a review on. This stuff's pretty cool. It supports a lot of weight, number one, and we're going to go over the details here in a second, but this is used for a lot of different projects. So what I want to do is bring you over here to the bench and kind of show you the details about all this, and then I have a project that we're going to use it on. So let me bring this on over here and show you what it's all about. So we'll see you here in just a second. Alright, so this is the kit. This is the box it comes in. Now this is a 200-foot kit, so it has 200 feet of this this black cable. It is a T316 stainless steel, kind of a coating in black. See if I can find a piece I've already cut off here. You can kind of see it there. It's just a really super strong cable. This stuff holds like 1,800 pounds. I mean, absolutely incredible what you can get out of this thin cable. I mean, it's just amazing. It looks really good, so that's why a lot of people want to use it on, you know, railing systems and that kind of stuff. Now I've got a different project I'm going to use this on, and I plan to do it and show you what I'm doing, and that's a lighting system. I just want to be able to hold some lights up and make sure that if a bird lands on it, something like that, it's not going to fall apart on me. Well, 1,800 pounds, I think a bird will be okay on that. So what comes in a kit? It comes in with some cutters, and then the manual, which goes over all the details of what it can be used for and just kind of the specs. A pair of gloves, you know, it's always nice to have, but the cutters are important because it just requires a nice set of cutters to be able to cut this wire. It's pretty straightforward. You make your length and you cut it off. Now this 7-strand, let's see if we got a good look here. There we go. So this is a 7-strand piece of cable. Let's see if I can get this camera to focus. There we go. You can see the 7 strands in there, and then in each one of those strands there's more strands, so that's where it gets its strength. Absolutely incredible. I mean, 1,800 pounds, that's a lot of weight, you know, for breaking. So it's very flexible. It can be used for a lot of different applications. I mean, it's really flexible. You know, depending on what you need to do and what you need it for, it just feels really good. It's got a black coating on it, and on top of that it's stainless steel, so it just has a very elegant look to it. So that's pretty straightforward. Like I said, I've got a project that I'm getting ready to work on, and I need to, well, stretch this between some trees. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're gonna take this and go get it installed where I need it, and then we'll come back and we'll see how it goes. We'll see you here in a little bit.
The black wire rope is made of durable T316 stainless steel, providing corrosion and rust resistance along with anti-oxidation properties, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The black steel cable is ideal for 1/8-foot cable railing system with breaking strength up to 1,800 pounds. Featuring a 7x7 strand structure, they are flexible and wear-resistant, ensuring a longer lifespan in diverse environments. The 1/8 black cable features a classic black finish, suitable for simple and elegant modern designs. The polishing lines are tightly wrapped to create a smooth and burr-free surface. The black cable is ideal for bundling, pulling, tightening, landscaping, construction, and DIY cable railing system. It's particularly well suited for the use in garden fences, stair railings, and clotheslines. The package includes 200-foot black railing cable, a wire rope cutter, and a pair of protective gloves.
All right, turned out pretty good. Just need to adjust the lights just a little bit, space them out a little bit better. But overall, I like it.